Greetings, bikers. It's good to see you guys again. It's been a while, as usual. No riding since my Langkawi trip. So finally, today is the day. I've been talking about changing tires since last year, and then I thought I might change it after Chinese New Year, but it didn't happen. And then recently I saw that there's a promotion for Pirelli Rosso 2. I think they are getting rid of the old batch tires because the Rosso 3 is already in the market. So I've been thinking about whether I should continue to use sport touring. As I said before, I would consider getting a T31 from Bridgestone. But this time, since the price is good, for a pair of Pirelli Rosso 2 120, size 120 and 180, it costs only 800 ringgit, and it's a siap pasang. So I thought, since I know everyone has been telling me about how not lasting sport tires is, and I know about that. So I thought that since I ride less now, so I could actually prolong the lifespan of the tires. So why not I try back sport tires for my MT09. I think it could be fun. So, and it's cheap too. So by spending 800 on the tires, I could use another 400 to 500 for my set of new chains and sprockets. So why not? And my way of riding is quite gentle, so I have confidence that I can use the tires for maybe 15,000 kilometers. Yeah, 15,000 kilometers, because I've been hearing that average usage for the Rosso 2 is 10 to 13,000 kilometers, or maybe less. Anyway, I must say that the Michelin PR4, Pilot Road 4, has been serving me well. It lasted me for over 20,000 kilometers, which is quite impressive if you ask me for sport touring tires. So I hope that it's gonna give me a new experience, although I'm not the cycle type. No cornering, knee down and things like that, but I hope it will give me a fresh experience with my bike. So stay tuned, I'm going to the workshop now. Hopefully I'll be the first to reach so that I don't have to wait. Here we are, Chan Bikers. Hopefully I'm the first customer. Oh no, the shop is not open yet, but I'm gonna park my bike at the back alley first. very dusty bike. See, just let's take a look at the good old PR4. So this is it, the condition. It looks quite well and very thick chicken stripe. I should bring the bike for a bike wash. It looks like a mess. So we shall wait for the shop to open. I'll catch up with you guys later. So this is it. I just forgot to press my record button when I left the workshop. So okay, my first feedback on this new tires is that it feels different, definitely. I'm not sure whether it's tire design or the feeling it gives me because of different type of tires I was using comparing to the Pilot Road 4. I feel that the turning is slightly more responsive comparing to the Sport Touring tire. But there's nothing much that I can say for now because yeah, for new tires I have to break in the tires first, like especially this new layer of tire wax. So I hope that I can put up a review for the tires in the next few rides. So that's it for today, and ride safe guys. I'll see you.